In 1912, the Titanic was the largest and most luxurious ship ever built.
People believed the Titanic was unsinkable, and thousands boarded with great excitement. Inside, passengers enjoyed luxury unlike anything the world had ever seen. For 4 days, the massive ship sailed smoothly across the Atlantic Ocean. Several iceberg warnings arrived, but the Titanic continued at high speed. Late on April 14th, lookouts suddenly spotted an iceberg ahead.
Iceberg, right ahead!
The crew reacted immediately, but there wasn't enough time to avoid disaster.
At 11:40 p.m., the Titanic struck an iceberg beneath the freezing water.
Seawater flooded multiple compartments, and engineers realized the ship was doomed.
Soon, lifeboats were lowered as panic slowly spread across the ship. Sadly, there were not enough lifeboats for everyone on board.
As fear grew, the ship's musicians continued playing to calm passengers.
The front of the ship sank lower as the freezing ocean rushed inside.
After several hours, the remarkable voyage came to an unforgettable end. Survivors waited through the night as rescue efforts continued across the Atlantic. At sunrise, rescue ships arrived and brought survivors to safety. More than a century later, the Titanic remains one of history's most remembered voyages.